I start by navigating to the login page of the website's Content Management System, CMS, likely by adding /dashboard login to the base URL. We then enter their username, email, and password to gain access to the CMS backend. Once logged in, the user navigates to the Pages section of the CMS. This is where all the website's pages are managed. The user clicks the Create New Page button. Parent Page ID. Assign the page to a parent, in this case to 1984, which is the Jobs page. Title and description. Enter a clear and descriptive title that targets the primary keyword. I entered school nurse positions available in Chester. Slug. A slug is the part of a URL. Meta title creates an informative meta title. I entered Best school nurse positions available in Chester. Write a meta description according to title. Schema type selects the most relevant schema type, which would be job posting in this case. I copied and pasted content from various sources into the content editor. First, I generated content for title Team Carer, school nurse positions available in Chester, from Content Generator, and then copied it and pasted it on the page. Header structure. I set the header structure to the context that I copy. Team Carer, school nurse positions available in Chester as heading 1. Job description and every other topic as heading 2. The headings are a good place to include keywords. Link insertion. Inserting internal links to the content from another page of the website or any third-party web page can boost the SEO and ranking. Insert any external link such as Facebook page or any other social media source. Insert link to Indeed UK for adding link through job board to you can find school nurse positions through job boards for linking to the page. Select featured image. Choosing image from the media section. Adding source video. I inserted a YouTube video about nursing by clicking Add Media Insert Embed. I then clicked the Update Page button to publish the content. After publishing the content, I go to Pages tab and open the page list to check if school nurse positions available in Chester is published live or not. View to see if the job posting is live and well published.